Hi Guru, I am going to review my this MOUNTRAX Foot Massager. This is for foot massaging, Satchu heating, and this is with auto timer and remote control. And here is my product. See, this is really very useful product and very durable, and I am using this from long time. See, this I already have connected this with the power source, and there is an adapter. See, this is with very long cord, near about a 2.5 meter cord, and this way I use this. See, and I am very happy with the product quality. Like whenever I go for like study, reading, laptop operation, or working, watching TV, I use this. See, and here is the on off button. See, and this is, see, with the, see, for massaging, and this has a low, medium and high, and this is for heating, low, medium and high, and this is, sorry, this is for heating, and this is air compression. See, and here is timer. See, for this. And now here is like also company provided me this remote control. Like from this, using this remote control, I can switch on, switch off, and timer set, all the functions I can operate from this remote control. See, I am very happy with the product quality. This is really durable product and very long lasting. See, and I am very happy with the product quality, and this gives me very good relaxation and foot massaging, and after using this I feel very relaxed. See, and I recommend it. This is my personal view. It is really worth it product. I recommend this. This is really very good and very and portable, easy to carry anywhere. Whenever I go for even for a business trip and travel, or sometime at camping, I carry this foot massager with me. I recommend this.